Attens pull-ons are absorbent pants that are designed to look like underwear. They are available in a range of sizes and absorbency levels. The white, textile feel backsheet is soft for improved comfort and discretion. Coloured elastics in the back indicate which way round you should fit the product. The waistband is made of breathable materials and is very comfortable to wear. The elastication in the waist helps to provide a close fit to your body, helping to reduce the risk of leakage. When laying down, you need to feel safe and protected. That's why pull-ons have soft leakage barriers that give you extra protection, especially when there is a sudden large gush. The clever technology of Attens gives you the absorption where you need it most, in the centre of the pad. The first layer quickly lets fluid pass to a top and bottom core, where fluid and odours are absorbed and locked away, reducing the risk of leakage and keeping your skin dry. The row of blue dots is a wetness indicator. If it has disappeared over half the length of the pad, we recommend you change the product. If required, you can open the side panels so that the pull-on can be easily removed and disposed of after use. Do you have any further questions? Don't hesitate to contact us.